Grok just queued free video generation, and honestly I don't care anymore because I found something that makes videos just as good for free, and I have Grok Premium right here to prove it.
Patience builds power. Rushing breaks it.
Can you tell which one did I pay for? Because I couldn't. Stick around, because by the end of this video you will never need to pay for AI video generation again. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Now, before you click off thinking this is just a cheap knockoff tool, it's not. I thought the same thing. I actually paid for Grok Premium. I use it every single day, and the only reason I still have it is because it generates slightly faster and because of the ability to upscale videos, and those are the only literal difference I could find. So now what we're going to do is just I'm going to show you the tool, and then I'm going to show you how you use it. Then I'm going to use the same prompt on Grok AI Premium Vision, and then the other alternative, and then we're going to compare. So first thing first, you're going to come to any browser that you prefer, and you type Gemini and Gen like this. Then you press the one which is on top, Gemini and Gen AI. That's the one we're going to use for this. And then for this to work properly, you're just going to come here and make sure that you log in. Use any email that you want. Don't worry about the credits. You're not going to need them. You're going to see what we're going to do. Then from here, you're going to go to Studio. From Studio, then we come here. You can see Grok AX free. And then let's go from here. You can see it's Grok 3, but don't worry about what else. We're gonna paste our prompt here. It's the pen that we're gonna use with our airflow. Then make sure the escape is on 16.9 and the standard is 1480p, but you can push it to 720 to high. But for this to make it faster, we're gonna go with 480. Then we're gonna put our image here, which is the elephant. Where's the elephant? There's the elephant. And then open. And then we're gonna check our things to see if they're okay. As you can see, the credits at 40. You'll see after the video, you'll still be at 40. Don't worry about this thing after you generate. Then we're gonna leave it loading. Then we're gonna switch to Grok now. We're gonna switch to Grok, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did there. Add the image. We're gonna add the image here, elephant. And then you paste the prompt that we're using, like this, simple. Then you're gonna click generate while the other one is loading. Don't wanna waste time. See, generating 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope it will be faster than this. Then let's switch to see that other one if it's done for this. Surprisingly enough, for this time, I don't know why it worked faster than the normal Grok version that we use. So let's wait for this one to finish so that we do side-by-side comparisons. And just like that, we're done. So we're gonna play this one first. This is the Grok version. I'm gonna play it first, and then let me add the sound there. Then we play it.
Patience builds power. Rushing breaks it.
Kind of made some mistakes, which we highlight at the end. And then let's switch to the other version for Grok Gemini. Play.
Patience builds power. Rushing breaks it.
The only thing I don't like here is the trunk. I don't like that movement with the trunk. Now back to Grok again. But from Grok, it made mistake with our water that was totally unnecessary. So like even on Premium, Grok still makes mistakes also. So don't be too harsh when you're thinking that these two is too much problems. All you can do with this one is regenerate. But the voice is perfect, I won't lie. And the quality is just the same as the Grok one that we used. Where the advantage for Grok pops up is this part that I'm going to show you right now. You see the quality, we can move it to upscale, and then the video is going to look great. But this is not really necessary. What's necessary when people are watching this type of content is the idea behind the message most of the times. Look, I'm not telling you to cancel your Grok. I still have it. If speed matters to you and you need a bit of quality, and then you are generating videos at a scale, then it might be worth it. But if you are starting out and you don't want to pay, you just want to see if whatever content that you're going to upload is going to work, then try these two, and then you might be shocked. Maybe you can even pay for Premium, and then you still find that your video still sucks. So you can start with this simple tool, and then you'll see if you are carried for it. Then that's when you can upgrade to Premium. Drop in the comments which video do you think was better, Grok or the free one. I want to see if you can actually tell the difference, and if you want me to do more comparisons like this, subscribe, because I test these two so you don't have to.